Your habits could be holding you back from having a good and healthy skin, and let me tell you why. So we have 4 types of skin, and that is the oily skin, the combination skin, the dry skin, and the normal skin. So this is a little trick on how to know your skin type. The first thing you would do is you wash your face with your cleanser or any soap of your choice, and then you go ahead, patch dry it, or whatever form or way you usually dry your face, and then leave your face without applying any product on it for 30 to 1 hour. If your face is oily, all around your face is oily, just know you have an oily skin. If your T-zone area, that's for your T areas. If it's oily and then your outer eye areas are dry, just know you have a combination skin. If your face is still dry after that, just know you have a dry skin. And more skin is just, it's in between. That's just my little trick on how you can figure out your face type, because the first thing to knowing the right skincare for you is by knowing the type of face that you have, and that's what I just want to help you to achieve. In case you don't know it, go and try it out. If you know you want to try it, let me know in the comment section down below. If you've tried it before, let me know in the comment section down below. Just write I've tried it. If you've not tried it, just say I'm going to try it. Let me see how it works. Let me know in the comment section down below, okay? So next thing I'm going to talk about is affordable products you can get as a beginner. So there are quite a number of affordable products out there, but I'm going to niche down to a few affordable products, and I have my products right here, so I'm going to show them out to you so that you can know what I'm talking about. A lot of people use simple products, so these are simple products. So Simple is one of the most affordable skincare brand you can start out. We have a brand new product that literally came out and it's selling like wildfire, and that is Face Fact. Face Fact literally is like a game changer. It creates a lot of product that a lot of people like, oh, this is like a dupe of this one, you get. And it's quite affordable. You can get different, there are different faces. This is the one I have. Okay, I have 2, but those are the only 2 I have currently. And these are face serums, an affordable brand. And these are face serums, an affordable brand that you can actually try out too. So are the most affordable one that I know so far. Although now with dollar inflation and everything, it gets, but it's still affordable. So we have Dr. Rachel, and we have Sterling, this one. So these are like the current affordable sunscreen I know right now, but there are other brands that are very, very affordable. And another affordable brand I'm going to talk about last is Beauty Formula. Beauty Formula is also another skincare brand that's actually very affordable. Affordability depends on your pocket. Somebody might not have 20k to spend on skincare brand, maybe have 15k. You go for what works for you. Someone affordable skincare brand might be 50 skincare that the sum of everything is like 50k. You go for what works for you. Let's talk about skincare application method. And the first thing you want to start your skincare with is your face cleanser. Your face wash, your face cleanser. This is a gel cleanser. This is a gel face wash. It could be a normal face wash, but it's a face wash or a face cleanser. Then the next thing you're going to go in with is your toner. A toner when it's going to be written down the toner. Simple has its toner. So a lot of brands actually have a toner. So your toner is always this, and you want to use either a cotton pad. This particular cotton pad is recommended, or you want to use your hand and pat dry into your face. The next thing you're going to go in is with your face serum. So this is what the face serum looks like, but this is how the packaging is. Your face serum. I'm trying to use affordable product to show you guys that you can actually get something quite affordable without breaking your savings or breaking your account. I know you break your savings after this, but still. Then after your face serum, you want to go in with your face moisturizer. And after your face moisturizer, it's your sunscreen. And I told you there are 2 brands, like I said before, there are 2 brands that you want to try. Let me say this, I am not a dermatologist, and I would always advise that you seek the help of a dermatologist when considering what skincare should I get. I will always advise, but if you don't have the money for that, I know that most people don't want to always be buying product on, and then at the end of it won't work for you. What you can do is you make your proper research. Like I said, the first thing I started with, know your skin type, because knowing your skin type can actually help you avoid a lot of trouble. Because when I started off skincare, I had no idea what my skin type was, so I was literally just doing everything I could do just to make my face look good, and it was worsening the situation because at first I usually have this, I can't remember the name, but it was like this little fungi acne on my face. That's what I had, and I was just trying a lot of product, the one for oily skin, the one for dry skin, I was just trying everything, but forgetting that, knowing that I had combination skin. Along the line, I figured out I actually had combination skin, and what I'm currently doing on my skin, on my face, on my skin, yes, is working out for me because I figured out my face type. That's why I said the first thing you have to figure out is what is your skin type. That way you avoid a lot of issue. That way, know if you know what niche to research on. If you're researching on skincare products for acne pro skin, oily acne pro skin, skincare type for this, for a combination skin, skincare type for this one, you get, that is what it's all about. That's what I'm trying to tell you, that you should first of all figure out your skin type. And I can only recommend the basics, which I've already done already. Simple beauty formula. I can only recommend the basics for you, but I cannot give you, oh, this is what works for oily skin, no, this is what works for this, no, this is what, because what works for me might not work for you. What works for party A might not work for party B. This is another mistake I see a lot of people do, and that is the fact whereby they try a lot of skincare products, neglecting the most important aspect of skincare, which involves hygiene. And you hear a lot of, I'm trying this product, it's not working out for my skin, but you're junking. You're always junking. You're always the one eating all the junk, all the granules. You've eaten it. Like, you are eating oily food, you are eating all the junk out there, your pillow, like there are a lot of things that you're just doing that are just a no-no when it comes to taking proper care of yourself. And I'm going to tell you those things right now. And the first one is drink enough water. The recommended amount of water to drink is actually 8 cups. Next one I want you to do is practice proper hygiene, like bathing twice a day. If you cannot bathe twice a day, if you're not a fan of bathing twice a day, you can have a nighttime routine, morning skincare routine, and a nighttime skincare routine. And they might not, it's not compulsory that they are the same thing. You get, sometimes it can be the same thing. And then the next one is eat healthy food. Don't always junk on food. I'm not saying you should not eat junk. Yes, if you want to eat junk, eat it, but it should not be a consistent thing for you. I'm not here to tell you what to do and what not to do, but I'm just here to just aid you to getting a good and proper skin. So if you want to eat junk, don't make it a consistent thing, at least once in a while, but try and eat healthy. That will help you, to help your gut, to help your whole body to function, your whole well-being. The next one is change your pillowcase / bed sheet. These things, we think they don't have any effect on our body, but if you change this thing and you work consistently on your skincare, you will notice that there's going to be a big change, a massive change in the way you're glowing and everything. And now that brings my last point: be consistent. It's one thing to say I'm starting skincare journey today, and another thing to not be consistent with it. You have to be consistent with skincare. You have to be consistent with your health. You have to be consistent with your well-being, mental and physical well-being. You have to be consistent with everything. That brings me to the end of today's video. Don't forget to actually like this video, subscribe if you get to subscribe. I really want you to subscribe so you can be part of this family. And also comment down below if you got a thing or two from this. And if you also have other healthy habits someone can do, please let us know in the comment section down below so that we can help people that are also looking at the comments, people that are also engaging on the comments. Let us help them out. With that, don't forget your royal priesthood, a holy nation, God's own people, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.